in San Diego, California. At the age of 2, she knew she would be a star. At 4 years old, she made her first appearance at the Jackson Family Reunion in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. She currently resides in Charleston, South Carolina. At the age of 7, live on YouTube tonight, she will be singing Adele's Set Fire to the Rain. I introduce to some and I present to others. Stand to your feet for Zanaya Hajane Hill.
And I set fire to the rain. Watch it burn without touch your face. Will it burn while I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming at your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain. And through us into the flames. Well, I heard something die 'cause I knew that was the last time